May I request everyone to stand up? Nino, please lead the prayer. And everyone, please close your eyes and feel the presence of our Lord God.
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God.
In the name of the Father, of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Our Father,
who art in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sins against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Mabuhay, hooray!
Again, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Mabuhay, hooray!
Very good. Wow, that was the energy. And now, can you please sit down? Okay. Now, can you pick up the pieces of paper on the floor? And can you arrange your seats? And sit properly. Okay, everyone sit properly. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, let me remind you with our classroom rules. Do you remember our classroom rules?
Yes.
Again, class, do you remember our classroom rules?
Yes.
Okay, now, can you read our classroom rules? Number 1.
Be prepared for every class.
Okay, you should be prepared for every class. Are you prepared for our class today?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Number 2.
Raise your hand before asking or speaking.
Is it understood?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, what is the number 3?
Be confident to share your ideas.
Okay, we are open to share and listen your ideas. Okay? And number 4,
Respect and listen to your classmates.
is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. And lastly,
Keep your workspace clean and tidy.
okay, is it understood, class?
Yes.
Very good. Are you ready?
Yes. We're ready.
But before that, I will give you a star if you are very good in this class. Okay, especially in our group activity, I will reward you stars if you win your group activity. Is it good?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Rihanna, who is absent for today.
No one is absent, ma'am. All is present.
Okay, very good. Now give a hand to all of you. Now, I will present to you the objectives of our lesson today. So after the lesson, you will going to learn to identify the safety measures before, during, and after an earthquake. And secondly, you will going to demonstrate the safety measures before, during, and after an earthquake. And lastly, you will show interest and cooperation in learning the lesson. Alright? Are you ready, class?
Yes, we're ready.
But before that, I will going to ask you what was our lesson yesterday. Who among you here remembered our lesson yesterday? Any hand? Okay, please. Jenica?
Changes on the Earth's surface as a result of volcanic eruptions.
Okay, give a hand to Jenica. Now get a 1/4 sheet of paper. We will going to have a diagnostic test, but this is only 5 items. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready, class?
Yes, we're ready.
Okay.
Write yes if the statement about earthquakes is true and no if not. An earthquake is the shaking of the Earth's crust.
Okay, who?
All earthquakes have the same origin. Plate tectonic movements cause earthquakes. Not all earthquakes that occur are felt by people. The movement of tectonic plates causes a volcanic earthquake.
Okay. Now, who got 5? Wow, very good. Now, can you pass your papers in front? Good job, class. You have a perfect score for our diagnostic test. Alright? So, are you done? Okay, pass all of your papers in front. Thank you. Okay, so who got 5? Who got 4? So everybody got 5. Okay, so because everybody got the perfect score, let's have the yes applause. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, again, class.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's good. Now, I will group you into 3. We will have a group activity. So I will provide you jigsaw puzzles, and then you will going to put it together to form pictures. So here we have the pictures. Pictures that show the safety measures before, during, and after an earthquake. So this is group 1, group 2, and group 3. So please go to your group now. I will give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, are you in your groups now? Okay, can you form a group? Can you form a circle there? Group 2. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Can you please sit down? Okay. So this is for this is for the group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay. So those group will going to get or form the picture in a short time. You will win the game. Is it okay, class?
Yes.
Are you ready, class?
Yes, we're ready.
Again, are you ready, class?
Yes, we're ready.
Very good. So now, timer starts now. Group 1, see the first picture. Group 2, the second picture. And group 3, the third picture. Look at the picture on the TV. Look at the pictures on the TV. Finish?
Yes.
One?
Yes.
Okay. Paste your pictures. Do you have glue? Okay, we have the winner, which is the group 3. So who will be the next group? Okay, we have the group 1. Can you give a hand to group 3 and group 1? Are you done, group 2? Okay, very good. Can you give me the pictures? Okay, very good. It's okay. Okay, now can you go back to your seat? Go back to your seat and sit properly. Okay? So this is the picture of group 1. Okay, this is the output of group 1. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. And now we have the output of group 2. Look at the picture. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And now we have the output of group 3. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, so very good. All the groups has the correct picture. Okay, let's have the hooray applause. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hooray!
Hooray, hooray.
Okay, again, class.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hooray, hooray, hooray.
Okay, very good. Did you enjoy the activity?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now, please close your eyes. Everybody, close your eyes. And let us ride a time machine. Okay? We will go to October 15, 2013. Okay? Now I have here a video. Can you open your eyes? We are now in the 2013. Please watch and listen. try the time machine and let's go back to the present. Now, please open your eyes. Okay, class? How do you feel after watching the video? Who's going to answer this? Ayesha, how do you feel after watching the video?
I feel sad and scared.
Okay, so Ayesha feels sad and scared. Do you feel sad and scared?
Yes.
Watching the video? And then, where were you when the earthquake happened? So, last October 15, 2013, where were you when the earthquake happened? Yes, Trisha?
I was at home when the earthquake happened.
Okay, was at home when the earthquake happened. Now, how did you survive the earthquake? Yes, Brixel?
Me and my parents went outside to survive the earthquake.
Ah, okay. So you went outside. When you feel the earthquake, you run outside. Okay. So how about, did you see your parents or guardian volunteer to help others who are in need during those times? Yes, Jian Jin.
Yes, I saw my parents help others who were in need. They gave food bags to the survivors.
Okay, wow. So Jian Jin said that her parents gave food packs to other people who were survivors of the earthquake. So can you give a hand to Jian Jin? So as a child, how can you help those people who are in need, who are survivors of the earthquake? Any hand? Yes, Francis?
As a child, I can help people who are survivors of the earthquake by giving them food. After I give them food, I will teach them what to do and what not to do so they will be alert and safe.
Okay, can you give a hand? Said that you will going to give food to other people who are in need. So, is that good?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, would you help those people in need?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what do you think is our lesson for today? Any hand? Okay, yes, Ninyo?
I think our lesson is all about earthquakes.
Okay, so let's let's see if your guess is correct. Okay? So our lesson for today, class, is all about the safety measures before, during, and after an earthquake. Okay? So, do you see a picture?
Yes.
Do you know what is that?
Yes.
Do you know it, Francis?
The picture above there is a seismograph.
Okay. Seismograph. The correct pronunciation of that word is seismograph. Okay? Very good, Francis. Can you give me that picture is a seismograph. Do you know what is a seismograph? Do you know it? Okay, do you know it, Francis?
So, the seismograph, the use of seismograph is to detect earthquakes.
Yes, so seismograph is the measurement used by the PHIVOLTS. Do you know PHIVOLTS? The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. Okay? So this is the measurement of the movement of the earthquake. Okay? Is it understood?
Yes.
Can you detect earthquake? Can you detect earthquake? Can you know that we will going to have an earthquake?
No.
Because we will not know when will it happen. Am I right?
Yes.
Who among you here can detect an earthquake? No, because we cannot detect an earthquake, but we can protect ourselves to survive the earthquake. So now, I will discuss to you what to do before the earthquake. Okay? So first thing you should do is to check the structures of your house or building. So you should check your house, and especially your school, because you go to school every day. So you will check the steep hill slopes, the hanging objects like this, the hanging objects, the ceiling fan, and other hanging objects. So if there is an earthquake, you will going to avoid the hanging objects, of course, right? Because it might fall down during an earthquake. So you should also avoid falling debris. Do you know debris? Do you know debris? Okay. Those are pieces of remains or waste. Like for example, there is an earthquake and there is a glass. This is an example, a glass. And you see the glass that is cracked already. So the glass are falling, that is falling debris. Okay? So you should avoid that to survive the earthquake. Number 2, you should familiarize yourself with your home and school. So you should memorize the exit. You should memorize where the doors are so that you will know when to go out during an earthquake. Is it understood, class?
Yes.
Okay, so if you will go to the mall or a building like hospitals, malls, or any buildings, you will familiarize the exits and the roads towards the door. So that if there will be an earthquake, you will know where to go. Okay? Okay. And then, the next thing to do is to familiarize the place. Okay? Find the place where extinguishers, first aid kits, alarms, and communication facilities are located. So, in your house or in a building, you should have a fire extinguishers. Do you know fire extinguishers? Have you seen a fire extinguishers?
Yes.
Yes, some of you might see fire extinguishers and some of you may not see a fire extinguishers. But fire extinguishers used to put out fires. Do you know, did you see a red that has a nozzle? That is the fire extinguisher. You should have first aid kits in your house, okay? Because we will not know when earthquake will happen. So in case of emergency, you will going to have a wound, an injury, or any illness during the earthquake. During and after the earthquake, you are prepared because you will going to put the medicines and the first aid kits inside the bag, okay? And then, you should prepare an emergency plan to cope with the disaster. So, how will you prepare an emergency plan? So, you will going to have a meeting with your parents, and you plan where to go, where you should meet after an earthquake. Okay? And then, have a stock of portable water, flashlight, radio, batteries, spare clothes, and some food packs. Okay? So in our house, we should prepare food packs. All the foods like canned goods, noodles, we should prepare that, and also water, flashlight, and radio, especially when the earthquake occurs at night. During at night, it is dark. So we need flashlight. Okay? So you will going to put it in a bag so that when the disaster came, you will just going to bring it. Is that okay, class?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let me discuss to you the safety measures measures during an earthquake. So first thing you should do is to keep calm. Do you understand?
Yes.
You should not panic. Okay? You should keep calm. And if you are inside a building, go under the table or a desk. Okay? And if you are outside, stay away from buildings or electric posts. Okay? Do you know duck, cover, and hold?
Yes.
Okay. So I have here a video of the director of Feebles. Now, please watch the video as he will going to demonstrate the proper way to duck, cover, and hold. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please watch and listen.
An earthquake can strike at any time, so it's important to know how to react. When an earthquake strikes, immediately do the duck or drop, cover and hold. If there's a sturdy table in front of you, drop, seek cover, and hold on to the table. If there's no sturdy table, go to the safer part of the building, drop to the ground, and cover your head and nape with your hands, and hold on to that position. When the shaking stops, evacuate to safety. Knowing these simple steps can save your life. I am Renato Solidon of DOST Feebles, and I encourage you to teach others and share your duck, cover, and hold videos and pictures using this hashtag. Be ready, be safe. Make zero casualty a reality. Sure ba?
Sure, huh? Okay, so that is how you do the duck or drop, cover, and hold. So now, it's your turn to demonstrate the duck, drop, cover, and hold. Okay, is that okay?
Yes.
Did you watch the video?
Yes.
Do you know how to duck, cover, and hold?
Yes.
Okay. In my signal, you demonstrate the duck, cover, and hold. Are you ready, class?
Yes.
I can't hear you. Are you ready, class?
Yes. We're ready.
1, 2, 3, go! Duck, cover, and hold. Hold, hold, hold. You hold the desk. You hold the desk. Okay, very good. Okay, now, can you please stand up? Very good, class. Now, please sit down and sit properly. Alright. Now, the third one is do not rush to the exit when you are in a crowded place to avoid stampede. Do you know stampede? You know stampede? It is a situation where there are many people inside a building and it costs life. You might die when you are in a stampede. Okay? When there are a lot of people rushing to the door, pushing each other, that is stampede. So when there is an earthquake, you should keep calm. Do not rush to the exit. Do not rush to the door. And you should perform the duck, cover, and hold. Is it understood, class?
Yes.
I can't hear you. Is it understood?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now, if you are in a moving car, so if you are inside a car, stop or park right away. And then you park the car away from the building or electric wires or poles. You should park the car in an open place where there is no buildings. Alright? Now, I have here another video that shows duck, cover, and hold and how to survive an earthquake when you are in a car or outside the building. Okay? Please watch and listen, class.
Guys, stand up just a minute, will you? When you feel shaky, drop to your knees. Good. Now make yourself small. It's impossible to walk or run safely during an earthquake.
Do not walk around.
Once you're on the floor, find cover. Look around for a table or desk anything you can get beneath. Crawl over and get under it. Then hold on to a leg and stay under your cover if the ground shaking starts moving it around.
What if there's nothing to get under?
In that case, it's best to just drop where you are. Use one hand to cover the back of your neck to protect it in case something falls on you. Even dropping beside a chair or bed or other furniture will keep you safer than trying to escape outside. If you're traveling in a car when an earthquake strikes, pull over to the side of the road, stop and wait in the car until the shaking stops. And if an earthquake strikes when you're outside, move away from buildings to protect yourself from anything that may fall off them.
Okay? Is that good?
Yes!
Do you understand?
Yes!
Okay, very good. So, when you are inside a building, do not use an elevator. Use during an earthquake. Okay? During and after an earthquake. So, it is not advisable to use an elevator because there might be a power failure or what we call brownout. So if we will have a brownout or a power failure, elevator will not work and you will be stuck up there. Alright?
Yes!
Understood?
Yes!
Okay. Now, when you are in a place where you are near the seashore, move away from there and go to a higher place. Okay? A tsunami might occur. So especially when you are beside an ocean, a big ocean, so a tsunami might occur. So you should move to a higher place. Okay? Is that good?
Yes!
Okay, very good. Now, let's move on to the safety measures after an earthquake. So this is after an earthquake. Now, the first one is to evacuate the building and go to an open area away from trees and electric posts. So after the earthquake, after the shaking, you know, when the shaking is still there, you duck over and hold. After the shaking, you go outside, you go away from the building and find a safe place where there were no trees and electric poles. Is it understood?
Yes!
Again, I can hear you. Is it understood?
Yes!
Okay, very good. Now, check the safety of your family members. So you should find your sister, your brother, your mother, and father. So if one of you will get hurt, you call an ambulance or you will go to health facilities. Is it understood?
Yes!
Alright. Now, do not attempt to cross damaged bridges and overpass. Okay, so we have here a bridge. So after an earthquake, do not attempt to cross the bridge because it might fall down. Alright? Do you understand, class?
Yes!
Okay, now check for fires if there are any. So possibly after an earthquake, there might be fire. Okay, so what will you going to do? Yes, Francis?
The point of the fire, my using the fire extinguisher.
Yes, very good. And now, turn on the radio and wait for instructions from authorized government agency. So, you will going to wait the instructions from your local government unit, and in our barangay, let us wait for the instructions. Okay, where to go, what should we do, and any instructions that can help us. Okay, do you understand, class?
Yes!
Is it clear?
Yes!
Alright, very good. Now, I will ask you a series of questions. First, what should you do before an earthquake? What should you do before an earthquake? Any hand? Yes, Jenica?
Check that you should memorize the exit doors. Find the place where exit. First aid kits,
Okay, can you give a hand? Very good, Jessica. You had a good job. And then we have the second question. Why is it important to know the safety measures before, during, and after an earthquake? Any hand? Why is it important to know? Yes, Brianna?
It is important to know the safety measures before, during, and after an earthquake in order for us to survive.
Okay, very good. Can you do that? Alright, so the next question is, what do you think will happen if you will not apply the safety tips before, during, and after an earthquake? What do you think will happen? Yes, Jana?
If we will not apply the safety tips before, during, and after an earthquake, many people will die.
Okay, do you agree with Jana?
Yes!
Okay, very good. So, as a grade 6 student, how would you use your knowledge on how to survive an earthquake? So, as a grade 6 student, how would you use your knowledge? Yes, Francis?
I will share my knowledge and safety tips and what to do and what not to do so we can survive.
Okay, do you agree with Francis?
Yes!
Okay, very good. You had a great idea, class. Now, let me... So now, we will going to have a role play. Now, do you know role play? Now, group 1 will demonstrate the safety measures before. Okay? You will demonstrate the safety measures before an earthquake. Group 2 will demonstrate the safety measures during an earthquake. Do you understand?
Yes!
Okay, and group 3, you will going to demonstrate the safety measure after an earthquake. Okay? Now, go back to your group class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, share your learnings to your group and practice how you will demonstrate the safety measures before, during, and after. I will give you time to practice. And when I say, are you ready, class, you go back to your seat and we will call the group to present here in front. Is that clear?
Yes!
Okay, very good. Are you done?
Yes!
What group is not yet done? Okay, let's wait for group 3, okay? So group 1 and group 2, go back to your seat. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, are you done group 3?
Yes!
Okay. So, let me ask you group 1. Are you ready group 1?
Yes!
How about the group 2? Are you ready?
Yes!
Group 3, are you ready?
Yes!
I can hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, all of you, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, so now let's give a hand to group 1. Please listen and watch the group 1. Okay, very good. Okay, can you give a hooray applause to group 1? Okay, now let's give a hand to group 2.
Oh, there's an earthquake.
Okay, very good. Now let's give the group 2 the yes applause. Again. Okay, now let's give a hand to group 3. Okay, group 3. Okay, group 3, are you ready? Okay, everyone. Now let's give the group 3 the mabuhay applause. 1, 2, 3. Again. Okay, very good. Now, please get a 1/2 sheet of paper. Get a 1/2 sheet of paper. Get 1/2 sheet of paper, and now, can you please listen to the direction? Everybody, 1, 2, 3, zip.
1, 2, 3, zip!
Again.
1, 2, 3, zip!
Okay, zip your mouth and listen to the direction. Okay? Now, class, please create a table for safety tips that you should do before, during, and after an earthquake. So, choose your answers from the box here in the activity sheets. Okay? So please pass. Please answer silently. Are you done?
Yes.
Create a table. Write before, during, and after. Are you done?
Yes.
Are you not yet done, Ivan? Okay, let's wait for Ivan a little longer. We're done. Okay, now class, please exchange your papers and let's check your answers. Okay, please take a look at the TV and here are the answers. Okay? Before C, E, J, K, and N. During B, D, F, H, and M. After A, G, I, L, and O. Who got 15?
Yes.
Okay, give a hand to those who got 15. the safety measures before, during, and after an earthquake. Is it clear? Okay, so I will give a star to those who got the perfect score during the role play. So we have